Why should you get educated? At Takshila Learning, we believe that education and learning serve as the primary driving force for how individuals shape their lives and themselves. In order to aid students to be aware and to craft a purposeful life for themselves, their education and learning become the most significant tools in their early years. How do you want your educator to be? And that is exactly how educators at Takshila Learning are. Our faculty consists of passionate educators who provide learners with the right space to learn, creative thinkers who promote curiosity and questioning, critical solvers who help learners find answers, and strong motivators who respect a student's learning pace. How do you think your learning experience could be improved? These answers establish the very foundation of Takshila Learning's learning experience. Our foundation focuses on helping students become the masters of their learning journeys by bringing them together with their parents and teachers to understand their current state, establish their learning objectives, and to craft a journey that helps them reach those objectives. The learning environment built by Takshila Learning provides students with a relatable, meaningful, and valuable process. We believe that students are the drivers of their learning journey, but their journey is incomplete without their teachers and parents in it. At Takshila Learning, students question, students explore, students experiment, students learn, students improve, and students succeed.